Choosing your A-levels isn't about picking the hardest subject. It's about picking the right one for you. If you're deciding between biology, chemistry, or physics for A-level, there are 3 key factors you should think about before making your choice. Number 1, what do you actually enjoy? This is the most important question to start with. A-level science is a big step up from GCSE. The content is deeper, more detailed, and more demanding, and you'll be studying it for 2 full years. Ask yourself, which subject do I enjoy learning about the most? Which one do I find interesting even when it gets difficult? Which one would I be happy revising regularly for 2 years? If you didn't enjoy a subject at GCSE, A-level probably won't suddenly feel easier. Enjoyment matters because motivation matters. Number 2, what do you need for your next step? Think about what you want to do after A-levels. Some university courses and career paths require specific science subjects. For example, medicine and dentistry often require chemistry. Engineering and physics-based courses usually need physics. Biology-related degrees may require biology, sometimes alongside chemistry. So ask yourself, does my next step require one of these A-levels? If so, do I actually enjoy that subject enough to commit to it? Number 3, what grade did I get at GCSE? Finally, be realistic about your grades. Science A-levels are challenging, and most students benefit from a strong GCSE foundation. As a rough guide, you'll usually want at least a grade 5 or a C, and ideally a grade 6 or B and higher, to cope confidently with a science A-level. That doesn't mean lower grades automatically rule you out, but it does mean you should be prepared for extra work and support. If you did well at GCSE and understood the content, you're far more likely to enjoy and succeed at A-level. So in conclusion, choose a subject that you enjoy, that supports where you're going next, and that you have a solid foundation in, and you'll give yourself the best chance of success.